Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about AI ethics. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize nearly every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to transportation to education. But as with any new technology, there are also ethical concerns to consider. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most pressing AI ethics issues, including bias in AI algorithms, the potential for AI to be used for harm, and the need for responsible AI development. Segment 1: Bias in AI algorithms. Bias in AI algorithms refers to the tendency of an AI system to favor certain outcomes or groups over others, often as a result of the data that the system was trained on. For example, if an AI algorithm is trained on data that is predominantly from one gender or racial group, it may be more likely to make decisions that favor that group over others. This can lead to unfair or inaccurate outcomes, such as excluding qualified candidates from job opportunities or making biased decisions in the criminal justice system. It is important to ensure that AI algorithms are trained on diverse and representative data in order to minimize bias. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI ethics is bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, the resulting AI system will be as well. This can lead to serious consequences, such as inaccurate medical diagnoses or unfair lending practices. One example of this is the use of AI in the criminal justice system. In the United States, AI algorithms are increasingly being used to predict the likelihood of a person reoffending, with the intention of using this information to inform sentencing decisions. However, these algorithms have been found to be biased against certain groups, such as Black people, leading to more severe sentences for these individuals. Another example is the use of AI in hiring practices. AI algorithms can be trained on data from previous hiring decisions, which may be biased against certain groups. This can result in AI systems that perpetuate these biases and exclude qualified candidates from job opportunities. Segment 2: The potential for AI to be used for harm. There are a number of ways in which AI could be used to cause harm in government. One example is the use of AI in military or surveillance applications, which could be used to target individuals or groups based on their perceived threat level. There are also concerns about the development of autonomous weapons systems, which could make decisions about the use of deadly force without human oversight. Another area of concern is the use of AI in government decision-making, such as in the criminal justice system. If AI algorithms used in this context are trained on biased data, they may make decisions that are unfair or discriminate against certain groups. For example, AI algorithms used to predict the likelihood of reoffending have been found to be biased against Black people in the United States, leading to more severe sentences for these individuals. It is important for governments to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place to prevent it from being used for harm. This includes considering the potential consequences of AI applications and implementing measures to mitigate any negative impacts. It is also important for governments to be transparent about their use of AI and to engage with relevant stakeholders, such as civil society organizations and the general public, in the decision-making process. Another ethical concern with AI is the potential for it to be used for harm. This could be through the use of AI in military or surveillance applications, or through the development of autonomous weapons systems. There are also concerns about the use of AI in social media and online platforms, which have the potential to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. We've already seen examples of this, such as the use of AI-generated deepfake videos to spread disinformation. Another area of concern is the use of AI in healthcare. While AI has the potential to greatly improve healthcare by analyzing large amounts of data and making more accurate diagnoses, there are also concerns about the potential for it to be used to ration healthcare resources or make decisions about patient treatment without fully considering the patient's wishes. Segment 3: The need for responsible AI development. The need for responsible AI development refers to the importance of ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that is ethical and considerate of the potential consequences. This responsibility falls on a number of different groups, including AI developers and researchers. It is important for those working on AI to consider the ethical implications of their work and to ensure that they are developing AI in a responsible way. This includes ensuring that AI algorithms are trained on diverse and representative data and that appropriate safeguards are in place to prevent AI from being used for harm. Governments and policymakers have a role to play in ensuring that AI is developed and used in a responsible way. This includes regulating the development and use of AI and establishing ethical frameworks and guidelines to govern its use. Businesses that develop and use AI also have a responsibility to ensure that it is used in a responsible way. This includes considering the ethical implications of their AI applications and implementing measures to mitigate any negative impacts. Civil society organizations such as nonprofits and advocacy groups can play a role in raising awareness about AI ethics and promoting responsible AI development. Overall, responsible AI development is a shared responsibility that requires the involvement and cooperation of a range of different groups. Given these concerns, it is clear that we need to approach the development of AI with a sense of responsibility. This includes ensuring that AI algorithms are trained on diverse and unbiased data, and that there are appropriate safeguards in place to prevent AI from being used for harm. There are a number of organizations and initiatives working on AI ethics, including the Partnership on AI, which is a collaboration between industry, academia, and civil society organizations to promote responsible AI development. There are also a number of ethical frameworks and guidelines being developed, such as the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems. Conclusion: AI has the potential to bring about significant changes and benefits to society, but it is important that we carefully consider the ethical implications of this technology. By ensuring that AI algorithms are unbiased and that we are responsible in our development and use of AI, we can ensure that these benefits are realized while minimizing the potential risks. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thank you for watching.